Max Greenfield, The Neighborhood, New Girl, is the latest original Veronica Mars cast member set to reprise their role in the upcoming Hulu revival. Also joining the cast of the 8-episode limited series, scheduled to premiere in 2019, is Patton Oswalt, Happy. Greenfield's Leo D'Amato was the new sheriff's deputy when he recurred on the first 3 seasons of Veronica Mars. In the follow-up movie, Leo was a detective at the San Diego Police Department who helped Veronica, Kristen Bell, in the Susan Knight murder investigation. The reboot returned Star Bell, Enrico Colantoni, Jason Dohring and Greenfield to the series that ran for 3 seasons on UPN and the CW from 2004 to 2007. In the revival, spring breakers are getting murdered in Neptune, thereby decimating the seaside town's lifeblood tourist industry. After Mars Investigations is hired by the parents of one of the victims to find their son's killer, Veronica, Bell, is drawn into an epic mystery that pits the enclave's wealthy elites, who would rather put an end to the month-long bacchanalia, against a working class that relies on the cash influx that comes with being the West Coast's answer to Daytona Beach. Oswalt will play the recurring character of Penn Ebner. Penn is on the wrong side of 40 for best pizza delivery guy in Neptune to be his claim to fame, but the dude won't shut up about it. He barely shuts up at all. Pizza delivery is his job, but his passion is true crime. He is a frequent poster on unsolved murder websites. Penn is affable and a bit hapless, and has going to milk his 15 minutes for all they're worth. He joins fellow new Veronica Mars cast additions Kirby Howell-Baptiste and Dawn Lewis. Veronica Mars creator Rob Thomas is penning the first episode and is executive producing with Bell, Diane Ruggiero-Wright and Dan Etheridge. Sponduli Productions produces in association with Warner Bros. TV.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.